My name is Ronan Carniato Hirsch, and today I'm going to be talking to you about acid rain. Acid rain has caused lots of damage to the environment for many reasons and on many levels. It's bad for fish, it's bad for human infrastructure, and it's bad for the ground itself. Acid rain damages the environment. It can hurt fish, it can hurt the ground, and it can hurt plants. It's bad for fish. It can damage rocks because the increased acidity is able to melt away the rocks quicker, and it removes. It can kill trees, meaning that it doesn't have. It can increase the chances of landslides and mudslides and similar events. Concrete and asphalt are also damaged by acid rain because they're not able to withstand the increased acidity. Now I'm going to get into the reasons of why acid rain does this. Acid rain hurts fish for multiple reasons. It's twofold. For one, its increased acidity means that many fish just cannot survive in it, and it also pulls smog out of the air. Smog is released mostly from coal plants, so the toxic metals in the air are sucked into the water as it falls out of the air and collect in pools and streams for fish to live in. The EPA says that some fish are acid sensitive and will be lost as pH declines from the acid itself. Acid rain's greater acidity also weakens rocks, especially weaker rocks like limestone, because limestone is not very strong and is very susceptible to chemical reactions. Acid rain is also able to erode asphalt and concrete, which is especially bad for humans because it can cost lives, because this can cause buildings and roads to collapse faster, which is not only expensive, but it also means that people could die as a result of unexpected accidents. The EPA also says that the acidic particles can corrode metal and cause paint and stone to deteriorate more quickly. Now you might ask, why does this exist? Well, we can't really say it's natural. Human activities, especially burning coal for electricity, cause smog for one, and coal specifically releases sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxides into the atmosphere. These can then collect in water in the clouds to form sulfuric acid and other acids. And as the rainfall pours down, it sucks in dust from the smog, collects in streams, kills plants, kills rocks. All fossil fuels do release some amount of pollution and smog, but coal is by far the worst. Now that you're informed on this, you can understand what it does, why it does it, and where it comes from. Thank you for your time.